Home Secretary, has told Headlines Today that evidence against 10 terror suspects with links to RSS have come forth. The Home Secretary gave this information to RSS a short while back. Well, that is what the RSS and the BJP was asking, to come out with proof. And now the Home Secretary has said that evidence against terror suspects with links to RSS is present with the Home Ministry. He's also said, and I quote, "Yes, there is evidence. During investigations, we have found names of 10 who were associated with the RSS at some point or the other. Sunil Joshi, Sandeep Dange, Kamal Chauhan, Devendra Gupta were one of the 10. We have evidence against them." Now, important claim coming in by the Home Secretary there, saying that there is evidence against RSS members who backed terror suspects. And this after the RSS and the BJP had gone out on an all-offensive to ask the Home Ministry to furbish proof, or the Home Minister should step down, but not before he publicly apologizes to both the party and the organization.
जो बयान आया था गृह मंत्री का, तो क्या सबूत है कि संघ के जो कैंप्स है या संघ से जुड़े लोग जो हैं वो,
देखिए, जो समझौता एक्सप्रेस ब्लास्ट का इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ, मक्का मस्जिद का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ, दरगाह शरीफ ब्लास्ट का जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हुआ, इन सब में करीब 10 नाम ऐसे आए हैं जो एक्यूज है, चार्जशीटेड है, जिनका कि आरएसएस से कभी न कभी एसोसिएशन रहा है, एज प्रचारक या कोई न कोई रोल आरएसएस में रहा है। ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन के दौरान जो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं विटनेसेस के, ये आए हैं, और इसको मुझे समझता हूं कोई डिनाई करेगा।
अभी भी
बारे में भी कुछ बात आई है?
Kamaljeet, our Ministry of Home correspondent, is breaking this bit of news on Headlines Today. Kamaljeet, the Home Ministry now backing the claim with proof, saying there is evident proof on 10 terror suspects with direct links to the RSS.
Well, definitely. So by coming out with these names, it clearly means it has business. As a matter of fact, 10 names have been given out. These are some of the names that are already in public domain, like Sandeep Dange, like Ramji Kalsangra, Lokesh Sharma. There have been certain recent arrests as well. But what we know is that this is a clear sign that the Home Ministry means business, and what Mr. Shinde was talking about was not out of turn or out of tune. Clearly coming out and giving out names with clear RSS links. But remember that all these names that have been given out have been basically RSS card sevaks or pracharaks. So lower string members of RSS. This goes to basically show that is there any involvement at the top level? So far, there doesn't seem to be any link, even though there was a name of a certain leader cropping up who was at the top level. He was called in by questioning by the CBI as well. But so far, NIA is looking at certain other clues. But yes, with coming out with such names, it clearly goes to show that even the Home Ministry data, as far as these names are concerned, is clearly backing Sushil Kumar Shinde, the Home Minister's claims.
You know, Kamal, the evidence which the Home Ministry has given out at this point of time might fall short of the evidence which the RSS and the BJP is demanding, because these names have been public earlier on as well, names that have been disowned by either of the organizations. So clearly at this juncture, the RSS and the BJP will come out and say there's nothing new in this.
Well, people who are close to Sushil Kumar Shinde have clearly been saying that what the Home Minister wanted to say was that perhaps in the terms of ideology, he could have been making that there's a certain link to RSS and BJP. But clearly the National Investigative Agency, which is looking into all the right-wing terror cases, has certain names. That is why these 10 names have now come out. This is basically after certain charge sheets were made in key blasts like the Samjhauta blast, the Mecca Masjid blast, as well as Ajmer blast. We know that certain charge sheets have been made. Seemanand is behind bars. We know Sadhvi Pragya is behind bars. We know Colonel Purohit is involved in right-wing terror cases. So these are the cases which have been made out. But as far as RSS terror link is concerned, clearly few of the names which are cropping up are of lower leaders, but these are leaders who had been going to the different summits of RSS, which is Ujjain and Jaipur. They had certain interactions with senior leaders as well, but clearly nothing to show that senior level organizers were involved in this. And that is why the suggestion that has been made and the indication that has been made that the lower strung RSS leaders are involved clearly being suggested, and clearly the names have been put in the charge sheet.